Hello friends, in this video we intend to fund the Raceoption broker account together using the TRC20 method. We enter the dashboard of this broker and click on the Add Fund option. Here we need to select the cryptocurrencies option and click on Tether TRC20. Here you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer. Note that even the minimum amount that must be deposited is $50. Here, we have a one-time use QR code. Go to your mobile wallet, select Tether, TRC20 on Tron, click Send, and scan the QR code. Enter the transfer amount and click Next. Check the destination wallet fee and total amount, then click Confirm. View transaction details on transcan.org. Select and click on the Send option and scan the QR code on the page and then enter the amount you want to transfer. The next section and then click on the Next option. In this section, you can enter the destination wallet information and the transaction amount. You have paid and see the total amount you have paid. After checking these items, click on the Confirm option. You can view the details of this transaction on the transcan.org website on your mobile. Well, as you can see, this amount has been successfully deposited into the broker. To view this topic, you can click on the Avatar section and click on the Transaction History option to view the details of this transaction. In the upcoming videos, we will be with you to teach you about deposits and withdrawals. Wishing you success and perseverance. Wishing you success and perseverance.